Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A56. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Okay, open box and look completion. Olive color we have, and we have very poor completion, only device and Type-C to Type-C cable. That's all completion by Samsung in 2025 and same 2023, 2024. Very bad completion. Okay, we have very premium design, glass on the front and back and metal edge. Slot for 2 nano SIM card without micro SD card slot. We have fast charging 45 watt in this device. Type-C cable, headphones jack we doesn't have, and open and look beautiful One UI 7. Open settings. We have Android 15 and One UI 7 version. Perfect design. Best UI in Android, I think. Looks very good. Beautiful icons. Open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Exynos 1580 and GPU Eclipse 540. Display resolution Full HD+, AMOLED display, and look results. That's single core score multi-core test and GPU test results. Open onto the benchmark, look into the benchmark score. Very good. And PUBG Mobile on this processor and this GPU works only on the low graphic level. Now, one moment I show you this. We have medium graphic level on this device. Okay. But it's not good for this class devices. Open camera, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.